and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we are going to see how to optimize a product listing with the step-by-step guide. We are going to see how to start the product optimization process, the 4 steps to optimize a product listing, and how to publish the changes you made in IntelliFox directly to Amazon. To start the listing optimization process, you first need to find your product. If you don't have a lot of product, you will easily find it in the product page, but if you have a lot of product, you can use your ASIN or SKU to find it in this search bar. If you're not able to find your product, you can try to click on Import from Amazon and IntelliFox will try to import it automatically for you. If your product doesn't exist yet, or it's simply not on Amazon yet, you can also start with a draft and set the ASIN and SKU at a later stage. For this tutorial, I'm going to start from scratch to show you how to optimize a listing. This is the product optimization page. On the first screen, you can see the step-by-step process, which corresponds to the menu on the top. You have guide, text, images, price, and you have other settings. At any point, you can use the preview button on the upper right side to preview what the listing will look like on Amazon. Close it, you have to click on the close button. To start the optimization process, you have to click on target query, keywords, and competitors. In these screens, you will be guided through the process to first select how you would look for your product on Amazon if you were a customer, then select your competitors, and then select keywords. The first step is to tell IntelliFox how you would look for your product on Amazon. For this tutorial, I'm going to take the example of a backpack that allows you to travel with your cat, and so I'm going to type cat backpack. These are the simplest keywords I can find for this product. Then I want to make sure that these keywords really fit the product I want to sell. For this, you can just click on See Results on Amazon.com. This will allow you to easily confirm that this search query fits your product. You should try to find similar products with your search query on Amazon and then report this search query in IntelliFox. If you get less than 100 results, then it's not good. You should have at least 100 results with your search query. But for this example, cat backpack is perfect, and I'm just going to click on save and go to next step. Then you will have to wait a little bit while IntelliFox fetches all the data it needs to help you properly. The second step is for you to select your competitors. What you can see in this screen are the best sellers for the search query you entered previously. And by selecting them, you will be able to see them throughout the application and see what they did for their texts, title, bullet points, description, and also see what they use as images in order for you to understand what you're up against. For this, you can either individually select competitors, but you can also click on select the top 10 and confirm. Then you have to click on next step on the bottom of the page. Now, in the third step, you need to select keywords. You need to select at least 100 keywords that are related to your product. The keywords are sorted in 3 categories. The first one are the highly suggested keywords. The second one are the suggested keywords, and the last one are the other keywords that are still relevant but less important than the other ones. To select a keyword, you need to click on it, and if you made a mistake, you can click on it on the right side to remove it from your selection. The goal is to select only the relevant keywords for your product. But for this example, I'm just going to select all the keywords so you can see how to use them in the next steps. When you select keywords, you need to make sure that those keywords are not brand names, because if they are brand names, your listing could get suspended. So that's why IntelliFox will highlight the brands that it has detected in the keywords from the category. It's up to you to judge if you want to select them or not. For instance, cat, of course you want to select it, and travel, of course you want to select it. Also, if you have any keywords that you want to manually add for any reason, you can add them in this screen using the Add Keywords manually. Now you have to click on Next Step. Now that we have defined the target query and selected 10 competitors and 100 keywords, we can start working on the next steps. Let's continue in the text optimization. For this, you can either click on Text Optimization or click in the top menu on Text. In this screen, you will be able to optimize every text of your listing, the title, all the bullet points, and the description. In this screen, you can see exactly what you need to do for each part. For instance, on the top right side, you can see that the goal for the title is to go to 180 characters up to 200. You can also see the limit for this field for Amazon, which is 200 characters, and how many characters you've used so far. You can also see a preview of how the title will look on Amazon. On the left side, you have 3 different tabs. The first one are the keywords. The keywords we have selected in the previous steps. You can also see the title for the competitors. There you can find exactly what your competitors did. If you want to start working with the title of a competitor, simply click on it and it will enter it in the edit field. You can also use variables, which allows you to repeat strings of texts throughout your account. Let's go back to the Keywords tab. There you can see how many keywords you have on the current field. For instance, for this title, there are 17 keywords. Also, you can see your global progress, see how many keywords you have inserted in your listing globally. Also, you can see which keywords are going to be automatically added for you in the search terms. Intellifox is going to try to insert as many keywords it can directly into the Amazon backend. The next step is to continue in each text, starting with the bullet points. One important difference in the bullet points is that you can insert emojis, and for this you have access to the emojis tab, which allows you to see every emoji you can insert in a bullet point that are compatible with Amazon. In this tab you can also search for a specific emoji, and to insert it, simply click on the emoji. The next step is going to be image optimization. In this step, you're going to be able to build your sales images as easily as possible. I'm not going to go deeper in this video about this screen because you have a dedicated tutorial that shows you how to use the image editor. The last step is the price optimization. And just like the image editor, you will find a dedicated tutorial just for the calculator. Once you have a great optimization score, if you want to publish your changes, you just have to click on the button on the upper right side. There you're able to see how your listing will look like on Amazon, and if everything is okay with you, you just need to click publish. Then you can click on publish and everything will be sent to Amazon. The process on our end takes about 15 seconds, but Amazon always takes a long time to update your listings. Sometimes it's really quick and sometimes it's really slow. Unfortunately, that's how Amazon works. That's it for this tutorial. I hope it helped you. If you have any question, do not hesitate to reach us directly in the support, and I wish you a really great day. Bye!